Right, here we are. Junkers, ju52 3M. Civilian version. This is a box opening. I've already cut the box to open it. I haven't looked in it exactly yet, so let's see what we've actually got in here. Oh dear. Oh my god. Right, looking in the box. Well, I know it was going to be a big one, but blimey, I can already see some marks on the plastic. It looks like stress marks from where it was moulded. That's got two sprues in it. There's a couple of parts that have come off, looks like. No, it's got 3 spurs in it because it's got the clear plastic one as well. Right, and this one, oh, it's nicely done, nicely done. Right, there's the wings on there. Another 2 big sprues of grey plastic with the wings on. Again, a couple of stress marks. They seem to be okay for the most part. I think they'll be fine. Yes, so there's the engine colours. Right, several in here. Let's have a look here. We got the instructions. Nice big book. That's typical. Hang on, there's something else in here. Where have we got it? There we go. Oh dear. Yeah. Right. Okay. There's several. You see, this is what I like about. This is what I like about REVELL. They give you the paint codes, not just for one, but for several manufacturers. And they like to mix their paints up here. You can see this is the A paint. I'm not sure what that is. I haven't got my glasses on at the moment, but 75% and 25%. So you get a very accurate paint mix. Well, I found that anyway. General instructions, and there's quite a lot of seats to put in here. I'll have to think about that for a minute. So I'll get back to you on when I'm actually building it about that. Doesn't seem to be too many small parts in it. The chairs might cause me a little problems to put together. Sorry about that. There seem to be 2 versions of it, or is this 2 cabins? Anyway, it looks all fairly straightforward. Here the instructions, they're quite well. I wouldn't expect anything less from REVELL. Yeah, everything seems to be very easy and plain. And we'll have a look at the last one. There's one paint scheme there. I have to check which one that is, but well, you can have the door opening as well, so I might have that opened. That's in there, and there's the other paint scheme. Now that's the one I actually know. I've seen that out and about, and the air shows and that sort of thing. Right, what's next? Safety sheet. Well, we don't have to worry about that. We know it. We know these already. But if you're new to modelling, read it. It's very useful, that one. Decals. Nice big sheet of decals. Oh, the large letters along here. I don't know whether the camera can pick those up, but I can't pick it up now. Right, this is all in one section. This is all in one section up to here, and then a 3rd section here. That may be a problem, due to the fact that it's a corrugated surface it's got to go on to, and well, we'll wait and see. I may be looking for problems where there isn't any. I've got my microset bottles. I can use that on that to maybe help suck it into all the ribbing. Right, let's have a look inside the bags. hang on, let's just move this out the way. Just move this out the way for now. Right, first bag will do. Let's have a little nip in here. This is the fuselage bag. Not sealed, just taped up. There you go, you see, it's not a sealed bag. Good in ways, because you can always use the bags for other things. And oh, there we go, we've got it stuck here now. Right, I won't open this one just yet. I'll wait till I'm actually building it. It's the cabin windows and portholes, I'm not sure. Navigation lights on there, on that clear sprue. There. Right. That's one piece that's off. There's the bulkhead. Let's have a look at this. Where's my glasses? Oh dear, excuse me a minute. I'm getting too old for this. That'll be the day. Right, now then. Mould looks good. Very good. See these marks here on the back here? They may be seen, so I might have to fill them. They're the pin marks where when it's in the mould, the pins come out and push the plastic. It pushes the whole plastic out, and so it drops onto a conveyor belt or into a bin. Now, the detail looks very good. I might have to get my magnifying glass out and try this. Let's have a look on the main body, the main fuzz. Okay, looks like we've got a top and a bottom. So basically, it's a square box section on this one. That may help I was wondering about the actual joint line along here. The ribbons actually coming off here. So look on the bottom section where it would fit. We may get away with that joint line. May just get away with that joint line. So there's a bit of, I don't know whether I'll bring this in close so you may be able to see it. Just here you can see a bad mark on the plastic, but I think it's only what they call a stress mark. It's just from when the plastic cools down on such a large piece like this. They're more evident. I'll have to look on here as well. You see there's a line across this one. Don't know whether you can see that. I don't know whether that's a scratch or something. A coat of undercoat on it, and it will show up all the imperfections on this, so then you can get to work and filling them or trying to erase them. No, not too many on that sprue. So that's number one sprue. Number two sprue here, which is the base. All the chairs. Those chairs are not too small, so I think I'll be able to handle those quite easily. The chairs, very high back chairs in it. And some you've got to watch out for, because that's actually broken off there. So not a good idea. If you're ever going to cut these, for the beginners this is, always cut by the sprue end. Let me put this, always cut your components off here and here, then cut these off after it's freed from the main fret. Doesn't seem to be too bad. Yeah, this seems to be alright. I can't see any warping in it at the moment, so you usually can. Yeah, doesn't seem to be too bad. So that's number two. Put that down there, put the bag on top. Number two bag. Let's not lose that part there. Oh, by the way, when you're using a scalpel like this, be very careful. Think of what you're doing before you use it. Sudden shocks, you can actually cut yourself very badly with it. Remember, this is